So we're gonna test our temperature. We got some boiling water here. I'm gonna put it in there and we're gonna see how well this thing picks up. Look at that, immediately picking up the temperature. It's telling you 155 Fahrenheit. Today we're gonna bring a unique meat thermometer. Now this one comes in a bamboo case. It's wireless, and when you take it off, it starts working automatically. There's an on and off button. You can check the actual voltage. This does not need charge. It charges with the system itself. It's bamboo, so in case you have wet surfaces, you should be okay. Do not wet it. This is where the electronics and the wireless system goes. Now, this is a thermometer that can go up to 33 feet from the system. You do need to download the application, and we're going to do that. Download the app, and then we're going to install it, and we're going to check some of our meats when we're cooking. Here's the name of the app that we're going to download right now. We're going to set it up, so we're going to install it. All right, installing, it gives you two different options to install. We have the latest one. We're going to go ahead and hit that. And it tells you right here how to follow the instructions, how to turn it off and on. All right, we just connected it. And if you guys can see, it shows you we have full battery right now. All right, as soon as we took it out of the box, we're going to go ahead and test this meat out. We're going to see how well it works. So let me try it by inserting this here. And right now we have it 146, 160, which is perfect, just the way I want it. And let's taste it. Well done. It's good. So whenever you're cooking any kind of meals, you want to make sure you prepare it right. This is a perfect product to use. Very compact, easy to use, chargeable. Put it back, clean it, make sure you sanitize it. This will be a very useful utensil to put with the rest of the items that you cook with.